Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get uninstall option when app installing is completed message shows up in notifications. So without one more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the Play Store and just search for one application name as App Notifier. On the first list you'll see the application, just click on it. Now click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open. Now you will see here one option, so uninstall button in notification, just enable it. And now you can just minimize it. Now let us reopen the Play Store and let me install one application just to give you an example. So once the installation is done, just swipe down the notification panel. Now just click on this down arrow icon. Now we'll see here uninstall option, so you can just click on this uninstall to uninstall this application directly from here. So by using this application named as App Notifier, you can easily get uninstall option when app installing is completed message shows up in notifications. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.